Another important thing to remember when you're having to clean up data and then report on it is you should rather report by exclusion and not by inclusion. So to explain that, here we've got a very small database and we just want to know the results for AAA. If I report by inclusion, I only include what I'm looking for. So for example, here I'm just going to use a sum if, and all I'm going to say is I just want to add up. So I'm going to say please look here, look for whatever's there and sum that. When I say okay, I get 2 and I move on. The risk you have here is how do you know that you've correctly allocated this AAA? Over here I've reported by exclusion. What that means is I report for each unique item. I then create a total, and then I can compare what I expect to see with what I am seeing. And as you can see, there's an error here, and the reason is that this first AAA has got a space at the end, and so Excel did not count it here. So only when we can use these control totals can we be sure that the information is correct, and then we can exclude these two and pull through the result. So I'd be able to say now that the results for AAA are exactly that. So as much as possible, you should try and clean up data and create a comprehensive report and then exclude what you don't want.